Welcome back. Our story continues outside the gym where, it's time for a shower, today's workout, and then I'm going to take you guys further east to this place hopefully you'll like. So let's get all that started. An adventure if you can. What a workout. Let's go clean house. Wow, look at this fancy Planet Fitness. Ooh. Alright, so this very pretty second shower. Very cold. It's like a crap. Alright, thankfully the shower warmed up. Let's get dressed and get out of here. So we might be heading into some leaf colors maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I picked this way with the hopes that we will find some. So let's see if we find some. So it's really funny, I just passed this and I'm like, I thought my next state was gonna be Arkansas, but apparently, welcome to Oklahoma, probably for just a little bit. All right, let's keep going. Well, look at that. Right before we left Oklahoma, we finally got a little bit of drone footage. Not too bad. So now we're in Arkansas. Welcome to Arkansas. Isn't this state whatever recreation area thing in Arkansas like a fantastic find that just seriously off the side of the road? I just found it. Adventure just definitely finds stuff if you go out and look for it. I mean, but just like yesterday I ran into a river. That didn't happen today, but all right, this is great. Let's keep going. Some pretty good drone footage today, huh? What a nice Saturday for drone footage, I think. All right, on the way to this place I'm trying to take you, which hopefully we will make it right around sunset. We'll see. That's what I'm trying to do. Get a nice sunset for us. Let's go. Well, that was a pretty good sunset, I think. And since, you know, a good part of this trip is trying to also chase the leaves on the way, I think that let's go find camp so we don't miss any because of the daylight being gone. And that's a pretty good shot. I think I'll get another one of those. All right, let's go. All right, dinner and hopefully parking has been found at the Lowe's here in Arkansas. Let's go get some food. Wow, what a day. So woke up early, you know, with my friends, got to talk to them, got to the gym, drove some, actually not that many hours. I was kind of hoping to get a little further east today, but you know, that's some of the downsides when you drive in the winter or the fall. I guess it's the fall. It just isn't enough daylight, right? So slow going, but got to see some cool stuff today. I was very happy with that drone footage. So I'm very tired, so I'm gonna get some rest and I will catch you guys up in the morning. Good night. Good morning. Got breakfast in hand. I have to cook it this morning. Let's get on the road. It's pretty early here. It's about 7 a.m. and we got some miles to go. So let's get to it. Looks like the trees here aren't very exciting. It's pretty flat. We'll be at the Mississippi River in about an hour and a half, so maybe there where there's more water. We'll see. Well, that was the mighty Mississippi River. And now we're in Mississippi, Clifford and I have got the next state and also east of the Mississippi River. You know, it's funny. I always talk to my mom about how amazing all the stuff is west of the Mississippi River, which she has not been to. So hopefully she will get there someday and not just look at all the beautiful places. All right, as we all saw, the leaves just didn't really come back, and that's probably our last chance. But hopefully we'll keep going and see what happens. All right, let's keep going. Look at that, we're finding a little bit of color here in Mississippi. Let's see what else we can find. We got a little bit of drone footage there. Those, you know, leaves are definitely a little past here, but I'm glad we got some. All right, let's keep going. Look at that, we found some color here in Mississippi. Pretty nice, huh? All right, let's keep going. Well, that wasn't very much of Mississippi, was it? Welcome to Alabama. Let's see what we find in here. tree find. It's always great when you find those red trees, right? Alright, we're about 50 minutes from the gym. Let's keep going. Hopefully find more pretty trees. Like we finally found some color, huh? Down here in Alabama. I'm glad about that. This is about 25 miles west of Montgomery, Alabama. So there's some leaves there, apparently, the 12th of November. All right, let's keep going. Well, all right, arrived at Planet Fitness. I'm gonna jump in there and do a quick workout and take a shower, and I'm not gonna show you any of that. So I will catch you guys up in about an hour. All right, all cleaned up, pretty trees behind me, and let's head further south. I found our camp spot. It's about 4.5 hours from here. Hopefully the wildlife will be friendly on the way down in the dark. Let's go find out. And finally, welcome to Florida. Our journey to the east is almost complete. I'm gonna get to camp and show you a couple more beautiful things. But thanks for coming along. So let's go see what little bit is left. Oh, wow. All right, it's 12:30 Eastern, whatever time zone that is in my brain, I don't know. So wait, I'm like 2 hours later than I thought I was gonna get here. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna throw the internet up. I'm gonna put this on the roof in the hopes that we'll get some stars. It's cloudy, so it might get some, might not get some. I have gotten the Milky Way in this spot before, so maybe we'll see if that happens, but I'm so glad to be here. All right, I'll catch you guys up in the morning, and hopefully we'll have some stars to look at. Good night. Stars over there, a whole bunch of clouds. Hey, at least we tried, right? So, waking up, this is the Gulf of Mexico, right behind me, right here in Florida. It's very, very cloudy, so I do not think we're going to get the sunrise I was hoping for, but I guess we'll see. I'll answer with you guys in a minute, we'll find out. Well, all right, breakfast is ready and steamy and hot. The clouds are in there, so there's not really much more for me to show you. And, you know, it's time for tea and breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the journey east. Drove a lot the last 2 days, so that's why this was not a very exciting adventure, I think. But I mean, still saw some pretty leaves, saw some good friends, and a lot on the road. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, I encourage you to go outside and see as much as possible, because there is a big, big world out there. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Thanks for watching. Bye.